Hey, nieces and nephews, let's do something we haven't done before. Breakfast.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, I'm going to show you guys. First of all, I've got to be eating healthy. Yes, that's what the doctor said. But I'm going to show you how to do it and have some fun. We're going to do an omelet and show you how to do an omelet the quick and easy way. And I'm going to do a pork steak with that. So I'm kind of doing steak with eggs, but the pantry way. All right. First thing I'm going to do, I've got a handful of spinach here, okay? And I got 2 cloves of garlic, all right? We're going to put that in our blender. Yeah, the blender. Okay. Then, we're going to take 3 eggs. One day I'll show you how to do that. All right. I'm going to put the top on. By the way, you can also do this for Halloween. You ever heard of green eggs and ham? This is how you do it. All right, blend it up. Yes, you do have to push it down, but when you push it down, stop your blender. Okay, that should be good. Now, once you're done, you're going to have a concoction that looks like this, okay? Nice and green. Don't let that scare you. It tastes delicious. Now, I'm going to let that set. I've got some provolone cheese here I'm going to add to the omelet. For my pork steak, now listen, this is some barbecue seasoning that I made myself. In my video, I'm going to show you how to make all my seasonings, how to get them by making them yourself. I might sell them, but for right now, I'm going to show you how to make it so you can get them for free, okay? So check this out. You're going to season your meat on both sides. And yes, this is a salt-free seasoning, okay? If you're going to eat healthy, make sure it tastes good. Another rule. To lose weight, this is the trick. You got to eat heavy in the morning to feed your body. That way you're not hungry at night. It's the nighttime eating that makes you gain weight because your system is slowing down. But in the morning, anything you eat is going to burn off. So eat your heaviest meal in the morning. Then you go lighter as the day goes along. Eat a heavy meal for breakfast, eat a lighter meal for lunch, and the lightest meal you eat should be at the end of the day. All right, now I've got this stuff ready. We're going to go over to the stove and get everything cooked up. All right, I have some olive oil in this pan. So what I'm going to do first is start off with the pork steak because the eggs take no time at all. And I've got this on a good flame, high enough to sear it on both sides. Then I'm going to turn it down. Now you hear that sizzle? That's what it should do. Anytime you cook a steak or a pork steak or a pork chop, sear it on the outside, then slowly cook the inside. That way it stays moist and juicy. All right. Now over here, I'm going to start off with some olive oil. On a low heat and a little bit of butter. Just a little. I'm going to combine that. You're going to have a nice cooked butter taste to your omelet. Hello, June. I know you're watching. Hey, Victoria. And I got some new subscribers. I want to thank you all for joining. Thank you so much. All right. I'm going to show you something. See that? All right, I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit. I'm gonna let this cook, but we already seared one side, and we're gonna sear the other. Now, once I have completely seared it, I'm gonna turn the fire down and put a top on it. That way it will bake through all the way, okay? Pour in your omelet directly in the center, okay? I should say your eggs. All right, now, put in your cheese or whatever else you're gonna put in here. I'm just doing cheese and the spinach. So you got meat over here. All right. Now, once it starts to cook, you're gonna swirl it around. Okay. Start doing your eggs like this. All right. That'll loosen them up from the bottom. Swirl them around. Make sure all that liquid starts to cook. Okay. But you see how it's getting unstuck from the bottom, and it's already got like a skin on the bottom of it. Now, we want it to build up a little more, because we're gonna do something real ingenious. We're gonna fold it over. Now, I'm also gonna show you, in case your egg doesn't fold over right, you just keep folding, and it will still look good. It'll look all nice and tucked in. Let's check this. Ah, yes. Now I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. All right. Now, shake your pan. See, like that? Okay. Go up under. See how I'm getting up under there? Go up under like that. Fold it on over. Roll it on over. That's right. Keep shaking it. Roll it on over. Both sides. Okay? Try to get under him. And roll him on over. Tuck and roll. Just like in a fire. Now look at that. You got a green omelet there, son. At this point, get your plate. Slide it on there. Now look at that. Now, look what's ready. See how the juice is coming out of there? Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. Now, I'm gonna plate this dish with some pancakes I made on the side. Ah. Look at that, nieces and nephews. Green eggs and steak with pancakes on the side. Oh yes. Let's take a look at these pancakes. Let's just drizzle a little of this light syrup on top. Now listen, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me. I'm going to show you how I'm losing weight. I'm going to show you what I eat today. And I'm also going to show you that we're going to start taking walks together. Yes, nieces and nephews, I want you to walk with me, because we got to get healthy. Now, I've already lost another 15 pounds. But I still got to lose some of this. All right. I'm about to eat my breakfast. Big love from Uncle Chris. Dean on the scene is going to be here. And the return of Jay. I love you guys so much. All right. Thank you so much. And write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef @gmail.com. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?